Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you what's inside my bag. It's a little bit worn out already because I've been using it every day. It's a very small bag, so if you compare it to the size of my hand, it's pretty much just like that. So it doesn't really have so much space for a lot of things. So if you're a massive packer, definitely keep in mind. So let's open this bag and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that's in my bag is this little makeup pouch from Benefit. I got it as a free gift some time ago, I can't remember, but this little message here resonates with me pretty much because I used to iron my hair quite a lot and sometimes I do forget to unplug it, which is a very dangerous thing to do. So definitely unplug your iron before you go out of your house. Okay, let's start. It's MAC blot powder, and yeah, it's really great. So I'm using one hand for this. It's really bad, but it's just a pressed powder. So, and I'm running low on it, so I'm waiting for my order from the lockdown. So yeah, that's one. Next is a mascara from Kiss Me. This is the Heroin Make Long and Curl mascara. I really like this. It's got little fibers that pretty much help your eyelashes look longer. Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, which is a foundation. I'm in the color 1W0, which is a warm porcelain, and yeah, it's really nice as well. So we'll keep that there. Next one is for my redness, since I tend to get really red patches on my skin, or it's just sometimes really red throughout. So I need to have a green corrector, and this is the Clio Kill Cover Pro Artist Liquid Concealer. Yeah, it's really good. A concealer, so this is the, oh dear, this is the Sem Ideal Concealer Duo. So it's got a stick end and a liquid end, but I just use this part right here. I don't really like the stick end. It's too waxy and it moves around a lot. So Mecca highlighter, so it's rubbed off at the bottom and I am almost done with it. So I'm just opening it up. Ta-da! Empty! So I might need to reorder from Mecca again. So yeah, it's good for like brow bone. It makes your face stand out. Well, that part of your face stand out a bit more. So next is this one. It's all rubbed out because I use it quite a lot. This is from Piri Pera. I got it from Haikoko. So this is number 12. So final products are for the lips. So the first one is from Bia. Oh god, I don't know if it will be good. Okay, so yeah, that's from Bia and it's in the color number 3. I like this. It's the one with the blue cap on. Next one is the Mamonde Creamy Tint Color Balm and Tint, number 9, Velvet Scarlet Haikoko. Stopped producing this, so I got one of the last ones. Yay! Okay. So if you return it to their cases, it looks something like this. It's very dirty. So the next one in my bag is this little pouch right here. This is from Clarins. The first one is the Best Sea Salt Water Spray for sensitive noses. It's in the green cap. I have got a bad sinus problem, so sometimes I can get really nasally when I talk and it's hard to actually sing, and I do sing quite a lot, so I prefer being able to utilize my nose just like what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Next one is the Bumble and Bubble Prada powder, and this is the smaller size. I got this from Mecca, and this is my favorite dry shampoo because it doesn't leave like a very sticky residue, unlike, you know, those spray on dry shampoos, and at the same time it's not, how do you say it, compared to other dry shampoos that are in a powder form, this is a lot finer and it comes in a smaller size, so I can take this with me everywhere. I'm not willing to take a massive bottle in my small handbag already. So yeah, it's really great. I highly recommend this. So the next one is my perfume. So the next one are tissues and alcohol swabs. I got this from the practice, and this tissues from the supermarket. So because of Corona, I have to pretty much be aware of what I touch and what gets in contact with me. So I always have these ones. I don't hoard these ones from the practice, but I just take like 1 or 2, and I don't even use it up. So still see I have 4. Crazy. Yeah, so that's about that. So yeah, you can see it's pretty flattened out. So yeah. So finally, this is my wallet. It's a very small wallet. I was debating on getting the Victorine or this one. I forgot the name of this one actually, but Victorine is a little bit bigger. This is much smaller, which is probably really good for my backpack right now. This is my only luxury item that I own, and I'm quite happy with it. I am not willing to show you what's inside, like in terms of cards, because just in case, you know. This is the one that I wanted you to see. That is my little anagram, is that what you call it? Yeah, like my initials in the wallet. So it's got VDG, which is my name, and there's dots in between because it spaces it out. It looks much prettier. According to the sales assistant, I said just do anything. So yeah, I like that. There's no cash except for like a red packet there, but there's no cash in that red pocket either. So I'm broke. Really? Corona's hit me so hard. So that's pretty much what I keep in my little backpack. As you can see, it's getting frayed. I probably need to relint it or whatever. Yeah, it's from La Palette. Is that how you pronounce it? God, I'm buying things that I can't pronounce. So it's a Korean brand from what I am aware about, because that's where I got it from. I didn't buy it while I was in Korea, because I've never been to Korea, but I ordered it from YesStyle, I think it's YesStyle. And was it? No, I'll link it at the bottom, but I saw Oh My Girl's member carrying this, and I'm a huge fan of backpacks, so yeah. But it's not splitting apart. I mean, it hasn't reached a year yet. Yeah, so if you want another what's in my bag, but specifically for work and like, you know, doing extracurricular, you know, actually doing more productive things, I am gonna show it to you. Just like